Hello YouTube. Wow, I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. We are 500 strong. See, just recently I made a 300 subscriber thank you video. At that time I never expected that I would hit 500 so quickly. Seriously guys, a big thanks to all of you. Really a big thanks. And yeah, I don't know what to say. You can hear, right? I'm speechless. I actually don't know what to say. We are in Ardennes right now. Ardennes forest of Belgium. So as you can see, the roads are all like this, scoped. When I made the video of 300 subscribers, I put in a list of all the people who have been there since the beginning. And now I'll put the updated list with all the sorry for that brilliant interruption. Well, anyways, yes, just to say thanks to all of you. I'll now ride in Ardennes in my exhaust note mode, which is this, and I'll let you guys enjoy the scenery, enjoy the music. You will see names appear on the screen. I put their channel links in the description below, so please feel free to check them out. Not all of them have an active YouTube channel, and really guys, a big thanks to each and every one of you and all the new subscribers. I just hope you guys will enjoy the rest of the videos I'll be uploading. Once again, a big thank you, and I will continue riding now, and you guys enjoy. All right. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and once again a big thanks to all of you for the support. Feel free to check out all the names I have shown till now, and until next time, codename ABK over and out.